Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use green screen in iMovie video editor. So if you want to use green screen in your iMovie video editor, so what you have to do first, so I'm going to open my iMovie. Okay, here iMovie app, and now click on create a new and click on movie. Now I have to import the media where I want to use green screen. First this one. Okay, now click on import, and now I am going to drag it here. Okay, now I'm going to just import green screen here. Okay, this is the green screen which I am going to use in this video. So now if I want to add green screen here, so what I have to do, just drag here. Okay, now drag here. Now you will see that green screen has been dragged here, and now what you have to do, just click on this green screen again, and here you will see an option here. Now you have to click on this option, and here you will see cut away option. Okay, now just click on this cut away, and here you will see green or blue screen. Just click on it. Now just play again. So like this you can use green screen in your iMovie app video editor. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.